Hello YouTube, hello all you lovely people. Today we are going to Knott's Berry Farm. It's our second day there. We're going to get another food package for $35 where we can have as much as we want to eat every 90 minutes. So that'll be okay for me because I always like to eat. It is a lovely day outside, as you can see there. The sun is shining and there is not a single cloud in the sky. It is fantastic. We are still halfway through, well, not even halfway through the holiday yet, which I'm so glad about. We're going to go on some water rides today because it's supposed to be this, but I think this is one of the hottest days we're going to have while we're here, if not the hottest day. So while we're here, we're going to go on some water. While it's hot like this, we're going to go on some water rides. So we'll dry off a lot more quickly, you see. So I'm all ready. I've got my motherboard t-shirt on, so I'm wearing this today. So I'm sure I'll stand out wearing this. Jason's getting ready in the bathroom. The park doesn't open till 10, so we can't really go there yet. The time is only 5 to 9, so we could go outside and walk around the shops or whatever, or or do something in the hotel. There is a shop in here, but we've not been in yet because every time we go past, it seems to be closed. So hopefully it'll be open at some point. We have seen it open, but it was only as we were going out, so we didn't go in. It's like a gift shop, so you can buy like gifts of the hotel and the park. So that's what that is. So that's the state of play for today. That's what we'll be doing today. So I've got all my batteries. I've got my power bank. I've got my spare battery for my camera. And my camera's fully charged, all the batteries are charged, so I haven't got to worry about anything running down today. My microphone's charged, everything, so we should have a relaxed day today. Hopefully not lose anything, because last time I was in there, the first day first full day, I lost my muffler for my microphone. I was going to buy another one on Amazon, have it delivered to the hotel, but it was going to cost $7 and I wasn't going to have that. So that was like nearly over half the price of what the actual item was. So I thought, no, I'll not bother. So I can live without it. It's not that windy. It hasn't been, really. So that's fine. Anyway, we're going to finish getting ready and then we're going to be going out. Right, we're back in Knott's Berry Farm. We're looking around now to see if we can find somewhere to eat. Because with this meal deal we've got, we can only go into certain places for free. So we've had a drink. I threw half of mine away because I didn't want it. But I can get another one. Every 15 minutes I can get another one. So, but now we're looking around for these meal deal places. I want to try a corn dog because I'm trying to look to see if I can find one. I haven't had one before. Jason says I have, but I can't remember that. I'll soon find out when I try one again. Oh, that's a different thing, isn't it, that one? What about here? Can't see. But we've come here to the Stutter's Grill, so here it is here. So we're standing in the queue now. So this is the view we've got. There's a roller coaster over there, which you'll have seen a few times on the vlog. So this is where we are. So we've got the lovely sunny weather. Oh, we're in the trees here, better that way. Not a cloud in the sky. So we're going to get some chicken tenders. So we'll have that. Right, dinner is here. This is what I've ordered. We've got here, we just had to wait ages in that queue. So here's what we've got.
It's breakfast.
This is our breakfast, right? Chicken tenders, look at the size of these, right? And this plate of chips, I mean, this is ridiculous. I've got me ranch dip, and I've got me mayonnaise dip as well. So I'll have this. But before I do, right, before I eat this, I've got my glasses off because I can't see properly under here. This park is in Buena Park in California. It started as a roadside berry stand in 1920 and was owned by Walter and Cordelia Knott. Over time, it expanded into a theme park with attractions like Ghost Town and a restaurant known for its fried chicken dinners, which is what we're eating now. The park is renowned for its boysenberry, a hybrid berry developed by Walter Knott and sold at the farm. Walter and Cordelia Knott began farming berries in Buena Park, where this park is, selling them from a roadside stand. They opened a permanent berry market and a tea room. Walter introduced a boysenberry, a hybrid berry developed from a cross between a blackberry, a red berry, and a loganberry. Cordelia started serving chicken dinners at a tea room, which evolved into a large restaurant. Walter began constructing Ghost Town to entertain guests waiting in line for the restaurants. So that's what we should have done while we were waiting there. Knott's Berry Farm became an enclosed park with a general admission fee. Knott's Scary Farm opened for the first time in 1973. The park has been sold to a company called Cedar Fair, but continues to operate under its original Knott's brand. So that's that. Now I'm going to eat this dinner before it goes cold. So here we go. I'm going to eat this. I'll try to eat it all. This is my breakfast. So. Right, so that's the meal eaten, the breakfast. Chicken tenders for breakfast, that's mad. Anyway, we're in this place now. Here we are, we're sitting outside, up on an upper height, outside. Grizzly Creek Cafe, this is called. This is where we are. There's the roller coasters you can see over there. Jason wants to go on that. It's a roller coaster that rotates. You go around it, you're in like a waltzer thing, and it swivels as you go round. So I think that'd be absolutely terrifying. Now I've seen that curly bit at the end. But I don't know if I want to go on it or not. But we'll see. I have been on many roller coasters before, so we'll see. I've currently got a slushie in my hand. It's quite solid actually. I thought it was going to be drinkable, but it's a little bit too solid to drink. So I've got to just suck it up with straw. I thought it was going to be like a slush puppy, but it's a bit more solid than that. But they call those ices here, and we call them slushies, but they're called ices here. He knew what I meant when I said slushy, so we're under the shade. So this is the third level up. There's two levels on the outside, so I thought we were at the top when we were down there, but we weren't. We were down there. More stairs to come up to this bit, so we've got this little area, so we're up here by ourselves, so who's that? Oh, it's Debbie. Might be drink's drunk. and we're going to go on to the River Rapids ride, which is basically like sitting in a tyre which has got a frame around it, and you're sitting with other people and you go along this river that goes up and down. It's like with rapids on, and you hit the side and it turns you around as you hit the side, and you spin in different directions. So we're going to go on that, because I've wanted to go on it in Disney, but I've never been on the Disney one. So we're going to go on the one here. We'll probably end up soaked, because you do end up soaked on this ride. So it's a nice hot day, so we should dry pretty quickly. So we'll find out what this is like. But my God, I'm going to be drenched. I'll let you see me when I come off. Right, not that I don't think you can see me. Maybe you can. We went on the rapids. My trousers were absolutely soaked. They're drying off now. I mean, they didn't feel that bad even after I got off the ride, to be honest. It was just nice to be refreshing. It was just a bit refreshing, so they've dried off now because it's so hot. I mean, I don't know what to do to get out of this heat. It's just so hot. This is the hottest day. This is going to be the hottest day that we're here for. It's about 35 degrees today. So I didn't eat all that breakfast I had. I left half of the chips. It may have been even more than half the chips. But we're looking for a place where I wanted to get a corn dog from, and we can't find it anywhere. We've got an idea of where it is, and we've been there and we still can't find it. So I said to Jason, we'll just stop looking for it and we'll probably just see it, because sometimes when you look for things you never find them. But we're not gonna bother now. We'll just bump into it when we get to it. But this is the weather, a lot of cloud in the sky. So, all you hear is screams in here from the roller coasters. Well, not the roller coasters, obviously the people on the roller coasters. But my trousers are practically dry now, so. There was quite a long queue, so if we go on again we'll have to queue again for about 20 minutes, half an hour. So it was quite refreshing. But I'm feeling tired from this heat. It's really knocking us out, because heat does that to me. Oh, I haven't been on that yet, the log flume. So we could go on the log flume, that's over there. See, that's just come down there, just splashed. So we go on that, we'll end up wet again. Oh, we found Panda Express, there it is. We went in there the first day we were here. So we'll probably go in there again today. Oh, the heat is absolutely scorching. Right, found the place where I get the corn dogs from. Here it is, strictly on a stick. Just up there. So I'm waiting in the queue. I'm next to be served. Jason's getting a drink, so the next one. There's the name of it. There's the name of it there. So I'm just waiting for the fries to be cooked, and then it'll be ready for me to get. I've managed to get one. Here we are. It comes with fries. Everything comes with fries. So there it is. There's the size of it there. Oh, it's on a stick. There we are. There it is. There it is. Let's have a taste. Look at the size of it. Right, I'm going to have a taste of this now and see what it's like.
I would like a hot dog surrounded by something else.
That's really nice. I really like it. I was determined I was going to have one, and now I have. I don't think I wanted the chips with it though. I mean, I could have done without those. But,
very fatty. That's the middle. That's what it looks like in the centre. I don't think I'll eat the chips though. I just have that. I think I just try the chips. You can have them if you want them. Do you want to taste it? I'll see you on the other side. But I haven't eaten my chips. My chips are still here. Finished my drink. But I left the ice in the cup. Just chucked it on my chips because there's far too many chips there. I don't want to eat all those with a corn dog. I only had chips a few hours ago for my breakfast. So that was that drink was at what was that drink? Sprite, yeah, it was a Sprite. And now I've got another one. And Jason went and got me another one. And this one is boysenberry slush. But it's called an icy, but we call them slush. It's slushes in Britain. They're very refreshing, it is too. Coca-Cola it is. So there you go. Full of ice. Right. Jason has just bought a mozzarella stick. Now this is not what I would call a stick. This is supposed to be mozzarella stick with chips, and this is what he got. There's a few nibbles already off of it. I put a bit of one side and he's had the other side. This is what they call a mozzarella stick. Oh. That is supposed to be a mozzarella stick. Have you seen the size of that? That is not a stick. That is not what one would call a stick. That's more like a steak of cheese, That's not a stick, unless they mean it's on a stick. I don't know. But that's not what I was expecting him to come back with. Something about an inch thick maybe at most, but not as big as that. I'm pleased I didn't buy that. I'm pleased I had my corn dog, but even that was hard to manage. Well, we're having a bit of a walk around now. Still absolutely scorchio hot. Where we go? What do you say? Oh, the Birdcage Theatre, yes, we go in there because there's a show on called The Great Train Robbery. So we're going to watch that at 3:45. So it's at the minute it's currently, what is it? Quarter past? It's quarter past. It's hard. It's hard to see my watch when it's as sunny as this. So we've got half an hour. So we're going to go down and queue up. Oh, we're under the shade here. So Jason's vanished. He's looking at the roller coaster. Oh, there's the log flume. I haven't been on the log flume yet. So before you get soaked on that next. There's the USA flag over there waving. And there's Panda Express, where we've been in. Well, it became our first day here. But it is boiling. So we're going to go to the theatre and stand in the queue. I can barely walk. I'm so hot. I can barely walk. It has drained me completely. I've known heat, but not heat like this. It is 35 degrees today here. 35 degrees it is. And it's hot. Oh.
It's Cypress Bellpond, and she gets a whole lot of hubba. Now you got it, all right? Now our villain today is a real piece of work. His name inspires fear and all that hear it, and that name is Harold Colton. as the Birdcage Theater proudly presents the Great Bank Robbery!
Well, here's Bernie Evertrue. Hey! Ain't he handsome? And this is Gertie Goodwill. She's so pretty. Now hold on to your valuables, folks, because here comes Bells Colton. A face that would make an onion cry. Oh, and then there's... Well, we are all mostly hard-working folks of this great land. Hit it! This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me.
I roamed and rambled and followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of your diamond deserts. While all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me.
There's a big high wall there that tried to stop me. A sign was painted, said private property. But on the backside, it didn't say nothing. This land was made for only me.
When the wheat fields are waving and the dust clouds rolling, when the fog was lifting and the voices chanting, this land was made for you and me. Come on, everyone! This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me.
Well, that's the show over. 35 minutes it was on for. Very good, very funny. And now we're back out into the heat with our sunglasses and caps back on. Oh, you sort of get back into the reality when you come outside of what it's really like with the heat and everything. Oh, this is really hot. I always say I love the heat, but I do love the heat, but you can get too much of a good thing. There's not even any breeze. And without glasses, my eyes would be burning. Well, I think we'll think about having another drink, I think. Because it's well and truly 15 minutes past now from when I had the last one. So I think we'll. Oh, wheels come off. He doesn't know his wheels come off. He's pushing it along without a wheel. He didn't know it had come off. Eee. Is it in R here? Here we are. We've come back into Grizzly Creek Cafe. I've only come and got a salad this time. I don't want anything heavy. I'm sick of food. So I've just got a salad, and this is what my salad looks like. So that's my salad. So that's all I've got there. There it is. So it's just a mixed salad. It's got tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, and I think there's some red cabbage in there as well. So that's all I'm having because I'm not having anything heavy. I don't want anything heavy. I've got a Coke this time for my drink. So that's all I'm having. I want something refreshing. I can't face anything else. I just want to drink and have something that's got liquid in, and that's what this is. I want something to hydrate me. So this is what I'm having. So here goes. I'm not really into lettuce. There's quite a bit of lettuce in here. I don't put anything on. Oh wow. It's not the nicest of things to eat, but it'll do. I couldn't face pizza or chicken and chips again, so I'm just going to have this. I haven't even eaten all this salad, so I don't know what else I'm going to do. I just too much food. That's how much I've had. And I gave Jason some of it as well.
No, that was my side.
But this was his anyway, what he ordered. But I thought I would have it because so it's all I could face. And I haven't even eaten that. It's all lettuce. I'm not really keen on lettuce, but it's given me some. It's given me some moisture, so I'm happy about that. Right, we're back in Panda Express. I've ordered me orange chicken again. This time I've got 50-50. So I've got half rice and half noodles. So there we are. So I've got the orange chicken, and I've got half rice and half noodles. So I thought I'd have a choice because sometimes, last time I just had the noodles, twice as many noodles. This time I've got half and half. So this is part of the dining plan as well. So I'm going to tuck into this and enjoy it because I do love Panda Express. Hello, it's almost night time in Knott's Berry Farm, and all the lights are coming on. It all looks nice and pretty now. In behind me you can see all the lights are on now. So we're still looking, we've just come out of Panda Express, and would you believe I didn't eat it all? Because all we've done is eat all day. So trying to get another drink now, because that's all we want to do is drink all the time because it's so hot. The roller coasters, even the roller coasters are lit up, look.
Oh wait, that's the line.
So they've all got lights on them now as well. It's the first time I've seen it at night time because it usually closes at 6, but at the weekend it closes at 10, so we're here longer now because it's now, what time is it? 7:45. So we're in here nearly 2 hours longer than we have been. So the moon's out over there. You can see the moon shining. Some of the rides have closed down. I don't think these roller coasters are running anymore. I think they've stopped them now. But there's a Twister. I went on the Twister earlier, over there. One of my favourite rides. Oh, this one's still running. This one is actually still running because there's people sitting on it. We went up on the tower again earlier on, the observatory tower, with that K that's lit up on the top there. Oh, that is a vertical rise, that. The vertical rise, oh my god. That's almost as bad as coming down that way. Coming down vertically. There we can see accelerators all lit up. Well, the writing, the actual coaster itself isn't lit up. Everything looks, it's just like a different atmosphere. Everything looks different at night, and it's a different atmosphere. That doesn't actually look that bad. It's just that bit that looks horrendous. This bit doesn't look that bad. Oh my god. Now, we've never seen this train go past here when we've been crossing under here before. So this is a new experience. We haven't been on this one before. Oh, this is coming down. Oh, that went up quickly. I've just been sitting there waiting to go up. See, we've never seen it go by before. Yes, it's just a quick thing. There you go up there. You have a look at this. This is really pretty. All these lights on the trees. Oh, this looks nice. And we've seen, because we've not seen it at night before. It's all the way around. It's really nice. I don't think the camera's doing it justice though. It looks much nicer to in the, you know, obviously in real life. Do you want a photograph of it? Well, I don't look at them properly. They look like reindeer. If you just like don't look at them head on, they look like reindeer antlers. Right, sitting once again, having a drink. This time I've got Fanta. Not you can see. I've drunk some of it, so you probably can't see. Yeah, there it is. Orange Fanta. Jason's waiting to get his coffee. He's at the counter, which is behind me. Sorry, in front of me. And I think this is where we sat this morning. I think it is. We sat here this morning when we had breakfast, had chicken tenders. Of course, it's night time now. Night has fallen on Knott's Berry Farm now. So we're drinking yet again. The roller coasters are still screaming away. So we've got another 2 hours, I think. Well, another hour, 45 minutes until the park closes. It closes at 10 and it's 8:15 now. I said I wanted a straw, but I'm just drinking out the cup. It's just the right temperature now, because it was absolutely boiling earlier on today, but now it's just right. And well, I mean, we're under the shade again, but at least we're not going to be baking our backsides off. So cheers. Oh, that's refreshing. Right, we are about to leave the park. We're heading towards the entrance or the exit now from this side. It is 10 to 10, so it's 10 minutes till the park closes, so we're just going to go now. Oh, there's an exit here. I was going to go through there. So we're about to go out now, so my feet are aching. Well, I say aching, they're hurting. Alright. Right, we're out of the park now. If we want to go back in, we'll have to go through security. But it'll only be for 10 minutes, so. But it's back to the hotel now. My right foot's killing me again. See, we could also go to Starbucks. Oh, I can't get things with those. I can't get that on the offer. So, got about a 5-minute walk back to the hotel. We are still actually in the park, aren't we, here?
Yeah, it's proper.
But it's not inside. So this is like the downtown Disney area they're equivalent of, I presume, is it? Oh yes, there's the outside there. This is like the free area. There's the street. Oh, another day over. I'm hobbling along. It's just me toe on me right foot this time, it hurts. But we'll be back there soon, so back at the hotel soon. So we'll be fine. Right, we're back in the room. We've been back a while, about an hour. We've just been lying down, relaxing. Oh, and I've just kicked the bed. Oh, that was painful. Oh, I've got bare feet. Oh, it was an absolutely scorching day today. I don't know how we haven't passed out. The drinks we've had, we're going to get diabetes from all this sugar I've had in my body, from all the fizzy drinks I've had. We're going to freshen up now and go to bed because we're getting up early tomorrow to get. Oh no, we're not. We're getting the later bus. We're not getting the early bus. We're going to downtown Disney tomorrow at about 10:30. I thought we were getting the earlier bus, 7:30 when we're not. We're getting the 10:30 bus. So I will say good night because we're going to, as I say, freshen up now and get ready for bed. So I will see you tomorrow or whenever the next vlog goes out. It's probably about a week's time. Alright, so I shall see you then. So over and out.